Hi, I'm Patrick Berglund, founding CEO of Zeneta. So, Zeneta is a rate benchmarking and market intelligence platform for containerized ocean freight. And we started Zeneta back in the days because we believed that the market was in need of more transparency. Especially since the market is volatile, we believe that the opaqueness was made it a very difficult market to operate in. And so we set sails to provide this primarily to the buying side of the industry, so the shippers and the cargo owners. And the reason why we specifically targeted that group, that stakeholder group within the industry, was because the supplier side, the shipping lines and the freight forwarding side, was not willing to participate and make this market more transparent. And back in the days in 2013, crowdsourcing was a well-known topic or approach to things with using technology. So by building an online platform, we open up an opportunity for ourselves to connect more and more shippers to the platform, which bit by bit would have the rate data that we would be looking for to make this market transparent. And we very early on selected a scope that we felt comfortable with, where the main part of the volatility would be within a typical supply chain, which would be the port-to-port side of things. So all costs that's relevant and happen on the ocean goes into our benchmarking and market analysis. But we also deal with THC. So since this is very often coupled with the freight, we offer up the opportunity to select whether you want to go gate-in or container on both ends. So that's the scope we've chosen. And today, the platform we receive into the platform more than between 2.5 and 3 million rates a month. And this is all aggregated into the different port-to-port combinations that the shippers can access. But it also developed on the supplier side of things, so that we also offer this now to carriers and freight forwarders, where for them this would be core business. So it's a very interesting stakeholder group for us to work with as a company, as it much more validates the accuracy of our data. And these different stakeholders have very different use cases, whether it's to buy with a more data-driven approach in a shipper's RFQ, or whether it's reporting to management, versus a freight forwarding company using it to validate their offering towards their customers, or for the sourcing part towards the carrier side. Then carriers have also, of course, also different use cases for this, meaning they can use it for anything from measuring price elasticity on the different trades they have, to validating their competitiveness in the market, and of course using it towards their customers.